51 years ago, the Cleveland Browns last won the NFL championship on December 27, 1964 in Cleveland. They shut out the Baltimore Colts 27-0. PhD out of Rice University quarterback Frank Ryan, Blanton Collier, the head coach of the Browns, and Jim Brown, we all know the running back from the Browns, just manhandled that Colts defense that afternoon. A cold, cloudy, and rainy day. People didn't expect the Browns to win that game. They finished the year 10-3-1. The Baltimore Colts, as we all remember, Johnny Unitas and Don Shula, the head coach, well, they were 12-2, including beating P teams like Chicago and Green Bay, Minnesota, etc. But before 1964, the Browns last won the championship in '55, and they beat the LA Rams. Otto Graham, the quarterback then, and Paul Brown, we all know him, was the head coach at Cleveland. And they won the year before over the Lions. They were good in the 50s, but in the 60s, they were a good football team. But it's bringing this up because teams like the Browns, who have won a championship over 50 years or 60 years. What about the Philadelphia Eagles? They haven't won it since 1960. That game was played on the day after Christmas, 1960, and beat the Green Bay Packers 17-13 on that Monday afternoon game. But I was bringing the dates up because on October 4th this year, Green Bay beat San Francisco out in San Francisco on that Sunday. Well, in 1964, the Vikings actually finally beat the Green Bay Packers that day, and the rivalry started in 1961, 24-23 in Green Bay in a chilly afternoon. Mr. Frank Tarkenton, and we all remember him at University of Georgia, just destroyed the defense of Green Bay. And bringing another thing up, this year's dates are most of 64 because 1964 is a leap year. This year is not, but next year we'll get to 1966 dates because of a leap year. March 1st would be like from 66 forward. And another thing on 1964 football season is teams like in the college football, Vince Dooley came to UGA, bought the Oval G helmets, those helmets that we all know of. He came from Auburn. He was assistant coach that year. And then he came to Georgia for the 64 season, and Georgia started winning. They went to the Sun Bowl, beat Texas Tech that year in 1964. Thank you.